In this demo, we will show how you can build a responsive site using Oracle Content and Experience Cloud. So here we are in our Experience Builder. We'll first create a simple web page, and then we'll define responsive behavior so that page acts responsively. So let's go ahead and build our page. We'll go to section layouts and make this a 3-column page. And then we will add some content. So let's, just for simplicity's sakes, to keep this simple, we'll just put an image into each column. So let's add an image component into each column. And then let's add our specific content. So we'll go to our content repository and we'll add an image into each column. So there's the first column. Here's the second column image and third column. All right, so now we have a simple page. The next thing is we want to now define this to act responsively. So let's click on our top here. We can find our section layout component and go into the settings. And this is where we can define the responsive behavior. So we're looking at the 3-column settings, and in here in custom settings, you can see all the options that you have. So first of all, we can, for example, define the column widths. We can define our responsive breakpoint. And then we can define the responsive behavior. So for example, let's just say very simply we want to stack the columns as we shrink the size of the browser window. So let's go ahead and close out of here. Let's save the page. And now we will preview it. And here is our page now in preview mode. And now let's shrink the browser size. So we shrunk it, and now you can see that you've got our 3 columns are now stacked now into one. So we've got all our content that's been stacked per our definition. So let's just go back and try one more thing. So let's go back to settings, and let's just say we want to hide the second column in addition to stacking them. So just to give you one more example. So we'll close out of here, save the page again. Let's go ahead and preview it. Here's our page with our 3 columns, and let's shrink the page, and now we've got our stacked column, but now that second computer image is now been hidden. So now we only have the first 2 columns, content from those first 2 columns. So just a very quick example of how to build a responsive site in Content and Experience Cloud.